Hello, everyone. It's Bubba Shuck again. If you can dig it, we can grow it. Today, I want to introduce you, I guess, to somewhat of a wild, untamed, natural area. Um, Got a lot of junipers, Leland cypresses. Let's go inside. Very calm. Propagating some roses. I built this tower last spring. Initially, I was gonna grow a lot of green leaf vegetables, and initially I did, but we had kind of a hot summer, and a lot of my everything just kind of bolted. See, I got some tomatoes growing there. We're kind of in the middle of autumn. That's pretty cool. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's interesting. I challenge, anyone to just express themselves. Find your own safe space. Enjoy life and live life. Be calm. Oh, look at that. See that grape tomato? It's beautiful. Beef steak tomato. Another tower that I built. Oh, well, those are some roses that I'm trying to propagate. Not looking too well. Look at these mini trees. In life, I think we should. Whoa, look at this. Can you guys see that spider? I almost walked right into that web. Jeez. Scary. We'll leave him alone for the moment. Yeah. Oh, must show you this. I'm kind of fascinated with the whole story of King Arthur, so I decided to make my own throne out of some cinder blocks and shingles because I had the time. So why not? So, not to hold you guys up, I challenge you to express yourself and create your own safe space or sacred space. If you can dig it, we can grow it. And if you can roll it, you can smoke it.